Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the 36-hour forecast.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for Cook County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin. Until 9 p.m. tomorrow, at 11:12 p.m., radar indicated temperatures under 0 degrees Celsius. What? Extreme temperatures under 0 degrees Celsius. Source: radar indicated. Impact: frostbite. A snow squall is possible with this storm.